Hi, today I will show you how to create a pixelated effect from any footage. Thank you so much for being here. It will truly mean the world to me if you hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Let's say I have this rotating star footage, and then we go to effect and look for CC block load. Now we can adjust the completions and the scans. Okay, I like this one. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. See you!